Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 21 sound by gestures. Okay, let's start. E, please, please, please. Speak English with me. Please speak English with me. Difficult, difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. And practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Wonderful, wonderful. My mother is wonderful teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Oh, perfect, perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Together, Americans and Vietnam should always work together. American and Vietnam should always work together. Remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Bother. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Charming. You have a charming smile. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. Always say please and thank you. Important is important to practice English every day. It's important to practice every day. Oh, food. What your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Shoot. You should work harder. You should work harder. Mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Time. This your first time in Vietnam? Is this your first time in Vietnam? Count. We should all care about the environment. We should all care about the environment. Sure. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thanks for your watching.